Alright guys, what's going on? So every year I change up the track for this event. I always try to keep it interesting for everyone and make sure everyone does not race the same track twice. So the easiest way for me to make this track different than last year was I didn't make any turn changes. I just reversed the entire track, which was a little project. Wasn't crazy hard, but it goes entirely the other way if you rode it the year before. So let's do a lap. Got our famous rhythm section in front of the double, tabletop double. It used to be a step up there, now it's a tabletop going backwards the other way. Here's the old finish line. It's not the same finish line anymore. We have it in a different location. We go a little tight section here before we shoot back up into the wood section. Step up this year, jumping up in, little guy right there, no more step down. Now the start's going to be interesting this year. I'll be able to explain the start to the racers on race day, but we're going to do a carousel up and around that thing. No more whoops here. If you remember that last year, them going the other way. Step down triple, then step on, step off, double. And then we have our split lane here into a camelback. It was a step up, and I just made a camelback recently. It was really fun, and everyone seemed to enjoy it on the ride days. Got another split lane here, which I really like those because it keeps the racing pretty interesting. Got a wall, always got to put the walls in. Back to the section here in the front. The split lanes are really important because I feel like it makes the passing very even and a safe way to pass. So there's a lap.